In this video, I'll show you 6 easy methods to fix your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones if they're not working, whether they won't connect, won't turn on, or have no sound. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart the headphones. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the indicator light flashes. This will reset the internal connection without erasing your settings. Method 2. Charge your headphones. Connect your headphones to a charger using the original USB-C cable. Let them charge for at least 30 minutes before trying to power them on again. A dead or drained battery can cause them not to respond. Method 3. Reset Bluetooth connection. On your phone or device, go to Bluetooth settings. Remove or forget WH-1000XM5 from the paired devices list. Then, put the headphones into pairing mode. Hold the power button for 5 to 7 seconds until you hear Bluetooth pairing. Reconnect and test audio. Method 4. Check for firmware updates. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone. If there's a firmware update available, install it. Updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Method 5. Perform a factory reset. Press and hold the power button plus custom button at the same time for 7 seconds. You'll hear a voice prompt confirming the reset. This erases all settings and restores factory defaults. Method 6. Try another device. Connect your headphones to a different phone, laptop, or tablet. If they work fine there, the problem may be with your original device's Bluetooth settings or drivers. Still not working? There could be a hardware issue, especially if there's no response even after charging or resetting. Contact Sony support or visit a repair center. Thanks for watching. If this helped fix your WH-1000XM5, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech solutions.